Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial, this is Debian 13 release. Now I am enable SSH for this Debian 13 server. This is my VirtualBox server release. I am checking server version. This is Debian 13 and check IP address 192.168.0.116. Now I am try SSH from my Windows host and then try type root password but not connect from my mobile extreme. So this step is SSH enable from this server, but before SSH enable it should be install this required package, install apt install open SSH server. Already installed this my server. Okay, now nano etc sshd underscore config. Open this file and remove this comment from port 22 and scroll down, remove permit root login, prohibit password, remove it and then type yes and then save and exit and service SSH and restart. Then check status is 3 seconds ago running using port 22. If you want, you can change your SSH port from this configuration file. And now I am again try SSH from my Windows host and then type password. Yes, successfully SSH connection done. This is my Debian 13 server and IP address. This is 16. This is my VirtualBox server from Windows host. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.